was actually, when I was walking in, see the window, I spotted this through the window. So I had my husband go pick up the other stuff we need while I come over here and look. But I didn't think it was going to be Maybelline, but it's Maybelline New York Fast Gels. And they are $2.50. Now they had a bunch of other colors, but it looks like they sold out. They only have black left. These two different reds, Rebel Red and Red Punch. I kind of like that one. New Thrill, Great Envy, and Sinful Stone. And then this Smoky Rose is kind of nice too, but yeah, they're $2.50. I wish they had some of the other colors. It's my first time seeing this here. So if you guys have seen it, here's the colors here. Fast Gel. So it says it's quick drying on the back of it too. So yeah, I'm gonna go see if I could find some more laying around somewhere. Let me look over here. I think this is the hand and nail cream. I don't know if I had showed y'all this or my Instagram. I can't remember. I'm gonna see how much this is. Oh, they have a little one. Oh, that's Broadway cream. I want to see how much this is. So that looks like that's it on the polish. Let me look over here. Yeah, yep, that's it. Okay, so I'm definitely going to get this color, and it's called Wicked Berry. Then I'm going to see how much this nail and hand cream is. I might get that, but I'm going to for sure get the polish. So yeah, I just had to come on and show y'all how cute. Oh, how cute. Oh my god. Oh, so sparkly. And it's mermaid glitter. Mermaid Wallet, $6. It's so cute. Okay. Let me find I had told my husband to go find stuff we needed. Where is he? Honey? Honey? If you have a ton of polish like myself, would be the perfect storage tote. It's a 5-gallon. That's how it looks from the side. These would be perfect. Then I can get rid of all of some of my little totes. But let's see, 10-gallon is $5.50. So how much are these? 5-gallon, $4. Not bad. This is a good nail polish storage.
Where did you get that degreaser?
And I have these too for storage. Hey y'all, I wanted to show you guys that I did end up picking up the polish. And I also ended up getting that small container, which I had set everything down when I did, please excuse my nails, I'm about to do them. But when I set my stuff down to pick up that container, I set down that the hand and nail cream that I wanted to price, so I didn't even get to price it. But I did pick up this color, the Maybelline New York Fast Gel Nail Lacquer in Wicked Berry. That's the back of it. It says nail lacquer lasting wear, high shine, fast drying. And I want to go ahead and swatch it so y'all can see what it looks like. Let me see if I can prop y'all up some kind of way. Alright, so open it up. It has this nice long handle. This is how it looks like. It's a nice formula, actually. Look at that. Focus. And I do like this top. Shake it up a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to pick a random spot and see. I hope y'all can see it well. on my matte, it seems to come out thin, so I'm just going to dab some on there just to get the true color to show. Okay. Oh, almost lost it. Alright. Alright, so that is the color. If you guys can see, it's kind of dark over here. Y'all see it good? It looks a little better this way, but it's a really pretty purple. I actually really like it. So yeah, $2.50. I'm gonna hopefully have a chance to check another Dollar General to see if I can find some more colors, because I do think I would like to pick up another shade and try it out. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have seen these new Maybellines, if you've tried them out, and what you think of them. Thank you guys for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.